Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to English Mastery Hub. I'm Logan, and I am very happy to see you today. I hope you feel good and ready to learn more English. Today, we will talk about something very special, learning English. Learning English can change your life. It can open new doors for you and bring you many chances to grow. Maybe you are just starting, or maybe you have been learning for some time. It does not matter where you are now. What is important is that you are here, and you want to learn more. Together, we will take one step at a time on this journey. I am excited to help you. Let's start this new adventure and grow your English skills. Let's begin by asking an easy question. Why is English so important? Why do millions of people around the world try to learn it every day? There are many answers, but I will share 5 big reasons with you. First, English is spoken all around the world. It is a global language. People use English in many countries like the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and many others. Even in countries where English is not the main language, people still use English to talk to each other. For example, in business, science, travel, and the internet, English is very common. When you travel to new places or meet people from different countries, English helps you communicate easily. It is like a bridge that connects people. Knowing English means you can make friends from many places and learn many new things. Second, English helps you find better jobs. Many companies want workers who can speak English because they work with people from other countries. If you know English, you can get more job chances. You can work in bigger companies or even work in other countries. Many good jobs need English skills, so learning English can help you have a better future and earn more money. Third, English is the language of the internet. Most websites, videos, and online courses are in English. If you know English, you can use the internet better. You can watch videos, read articles, and learn new skills easily. You do not have to wait for translations or miss important information. English helps you get knowledge quickly and connect with people everywhere on the internet. Fourth, many movies, songs, and books are in English. If you know English, you can enjoy these without needing help from others. You can watch your favorite movies and understand the songs you love. Reading books in English also helps you improve your skills and enjoy great stories. This makes learning fun and exciting. Fifth, English helps you study in many countries. If you want to go to a university or school in another country, English is often needed. Many schools and universities use English for teaching. When you learn English, you open the door to study anywhere in the world. This is a great chance to grow and get new experiences. So, learning English is important because it helps you talk to people everywhere, find better jobs, use the internet, enjoy entertainment, and study in good schools. No matter where you are or what you want to do, English can help you reach your goals. Remember, learning English is a journey. It takes time, but every small step brings you closer to success. Keep practicing, stay patient, and enjoy the process. Your hard work will pay off, and you will see how English can change your life for the better. Now let's begin learning step by step. I want to share with you tip 1 for learning English in an easy and smart way. When you start learning English, it's important to begin with simple, everyday words. These are the words you use and see around you in daily life. Starting with simple words helps you feel comfortable and confident. First, look around your home. Do you see a chair, a cup, a table? Great. Learn the English word for each object you use every day. For example, when you drink tea, say to yourself, "This is a cup. I am holding a cup." This helps your brain connect the word to something real. When you see or touch the object and say the word, your brain remembers better. Every time you say the word, your memory gets stronger. Saying words out loud helps you learn faster. You can also write the words down to help your memory. Next, go outside. Look at the world around you: trees, cars, roads, shops, people. Start naming these things in English in your mind: tree, car, building, shop. You are building an English world in your mind, an English map of your life. Try to say the words out loud or quietly to yourself. This practice makes your brain think in English. It is like creating a new habit. When you learn new words, use them in sentences. For example, the tree is tall. The car is red. This helps you understand how words work together. Small sentences give you practice for speaking and writing. If you want, you can keep a small notebook. Write the new words and their meaning. You can draw pictures too. This makes learning fun and easy to remember. Remember, don't try to learn many words at once. Start with 5 or 10 new words a day. It's better to learn a few words well than to forget many words. Small steps bring big progress. When you practice every day, your vocabulary grows. This gives you more tools to speak, listen, read, and write in English. So start simple. Learn the words around you at home and outside. Say them, write them, and use them. This is the best way to build a strong foundation in English. Keep going step by step, and soon you will see how your English improves. Now let's add action words, verbs. These are words that show what you do. For example, walk, eat, sleep, run, read, write, sit, stand, cook, drink. You use these actions every day, so it's easy to practice them in real life. When you do something, say it in English. This is a great way to practice and remember. For example, when you wake up in the morning, say, "I am waking up." When you brush your teeth, say, "I am brushing my teeth." When you eat, say, "I am eating." These are small sentences, but they are powerful. They help your brain think in English. You don't need to wait for a teacher or class. You can practice by yourself every day. Just talk about what you are doing. Say the action out loud or in your mind. For example, "I am walking to school." "I am cooking rice." "I am drinking water." This is real practice. And this kind of practice builds your speaking confidence. You can also look in the mirror and say what you are doing. "I am smiling." "I am washing my face." It feels fun, and it helps you learn faster. Try to use the same verbs again and again. The more you say them, the easier they become. After some time, you will not need to translate. You will just speak. Here's a fun idea. Make a list of action words. You can write 5 new action words every day, then try to use them in your life. For example, jump, dance, open, close, laugh. Now try to say, "I am jumping." "I am dancing." "I am opening the door." "I am closing the window." "I am laughing." These are simple sentences, and they help you build your English step by step. Also, watch what others are doing. If you see someone running, say, "He is running." If someone is cooking, say, "She is cooking." This helps you learn how to speak about others too. Practice in small steps. Do not worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. What matters is that you try, you speak, you learn. When you use simple actions in English every day, your brain learns to think in English. This is how you grow. This is how you become a confident English speaker. Keep using action words. Keep speaking. You are doing great. Learn and use easy phrases in English. These small phrases are very helpful. You can use them every day. They help you start speaking. They are short, but they are powerful. You do not need long sentences in the beginning. Just start with easy phrases. Here are some simple phrases. Hello. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What is your name? My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. Thank you. You're welcome. Goodbye. These phrases help you talk to people. You can say hello when you meet someone. You can say thank you when someone helps you. These are small steps, but they are very important. You can use them at school, at work, at home, or anywhere. Try to use 1 or 2 phrases every day. Speak them loudly. Don't be shy. Repeat them again and again. The more you say them, the easier they become. You can also write the phrases in a notebook. Look at them every day. Practice with a friend or in front of a mirror. Make learning fun and simple. Now let's talk about learning new words. Learning English is fun, but do not try to learn too many words at one time. That can make you tired. It is better to learn only 5 to 10 new words each day. This is a smart way to grow your English. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Pick 5 to 10 new words. Step 2. Write them in your notebook. Step 3. Say the words out loud. Step 4. Make easy sentences with each word. Example. Word. Window. Sentence 1. I open the window. Sentence 2. The window is clean. Word. Chair. Sentence 1. This is a chair. Sentence 2. I sit on the chair. Word. Book. Sentence 1. I have a book. Sentence 2. The book is on the table. This helps you remember words. You do not just learn the word. You learn how to use it. This is real practice. Say the words while you look at the real things. Look at a window and say, window. Look at a chair and say, chair. This helps your brain remember better. Now here is a bonus tip. Make flashcards. Flashcards are small cards to help you remember words. Take a small piece of paper. On one side, write the English word. On the other side, draw a picture or write the word in your own language. For example, front, appleback, a picture of an apple or your language word for apple. Make many flashcards. Look at them every day. Test yourself. Say the word. Try to remember its meaning. Flashcards are fun. You can play with them like a game. You can carry them in your bag. You can use them anywhere, at home, at school, or on the bus. You can also make digital flashcards on your phone. There are many free apps, but paper flashcards are great too. Flashcards help you remember new words quickly and easily. So remember, use easy phrases every day. Learn 5 to 10 new words each day. Say them out loud. Make short sentences. Make flashcards to review the words. This is a simple and powerful way to grow your English. Step by step, word by word, you are getting better. Keep going. You can do it. My dear students, learning English is like building a house. You cannot build the whole house in one day. You start with small bricks. One word, one phrase, one small step at a time. Slowly, your house becomes bigger and stronger. Your English becomes better and clearer. It's okay to forget sometimes. It's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. So don't be afraid. Don't stop. Just keep going. You are on the right path. You are learning. You are improving. That is what matters. Today, you learned why English is important. You learned that English can help you travel, get a good job, study well, and connect with people all around the world. You also learned how to start your English journey by learning simple vocabulary and easy phrases. You learned to look around your home and name objects in English. You learn to say simple action words like I am walking or I am reading. You also learn to use simple phrases like hello, how are you, and thank you. These small words are powerful. They are the first steps to becoming fluent in English. You also learned a smart way to grow your vocabulary by learning 5 to 10 new words each day. And you learned how to use flashcards to remember those words. This is a strong beginning. This is your first step toward English fluency, and you did it. In the next lesson, we will talk about listening. Tip 2. Practice listening every day. This will help you understand English better. It will also help your pronunciation and speaking. Listening is a big part of learning a language, so don't miss the next lesson. Until then, keep practicing. Speak English every day, even a little. Say the words out loud. Look at things and name them in English. Use your notebook. Use your flashcards. You are building your English step by step. Also, keep smiling. Enjoy the process. Believe in yourself. You are doing a great job. I believe in you, and I'm proud of you. Thank you for being here with me today at English Mastery Hub. If you like this lesson, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new lessons, and click the bell icon to get a reminder for the next video. Remember, you are strong, you are smart, and you can speak English fluently. Keep going, never give up. I'm here to help you every step of the way. See you in the next lesson.